video, product review. So just remove the cardboard and throw it away. Remove the brochure or the flyer or the leaflet, throw it away. Oh my god, this one, the handle of this one has the plastic. It means it's new. It means you never used the item. It means you are labeled. It means stop being labeled. It only means to learn. I guess for me, I acquired, I don't even know if I'm smart or if, yeah, I don't know if I'm super smart, but that's my dream. I dream to be smart. I can't say my IQ, I don't know. I need to, I guess, read more and do some brain games. Oh my god, brain games, but the not too harsh brain games. Am I right or am I right? Oh my god, the basket fell. It's alive. The basket is alive. This one's a white one. Surprise, surprise. And the first basket is black, and I have one upstairs. It's pink. So I have pink, white, and black. Now my problem is what to use as a bra and panty holder, or should I combine bra and panty, and then the cables will be here, the bra and pant. Sorry, I'm sleepy. The wires are here, and then the bra and underwears at the black basket. Yeah, so oh yeah. There. Could be very useful. See you around, YouTubers. I love you.
Mosquito, don't bite. Stop biting, mosquito. Mosquito, don't bite.